Good morning, student. Today's topic is Chapter 4 Physical Education and Sports for CWSN. Okay, like children with special need. Now, student, this is the some special child chapter. Okay, now today it is concept of disability and concept of disorder. Okay, now, student, what is disability? Disability means the people not working in normal way. Okay, they they can work their daily routine, daily life work during their support or some equipment they can do and their work. Okay, now another thing is this difficulty is provided by birth. Okay, occur the by birth. Now next is disorder. Disorder means this is an alignment which disturb the normal functioning of an individual. Right? This is this disorder. Disorder called in the this symptom is disorder be normal, but after some time, yes, doing after some time. Okay, this is called disorder. They quick they come in the brain and do the work. Okay, this is disorder. Now we can teach the some definition of disability. Like disability is in an empowerment that may be cognitive, developmental, intellectual, mental, physical, eh, and sensory are some combination of this. Okay, this is the intellectual, cognitive, okay, mental disease, okay, physically handicapped, and sensory. This is on this the disability. Like now some other definition of the disability, some according to Dorland's medical dictionary, disabilities are incapacity or lack of the ability to function normally. They do disability, they can do their capability, lack of ability they function normally. This is the disability. Okay, now another ways for the definition of the term in disability means any kind of impairment of permanent reduction in physical or mental capacity. Okay, they can do the permanent reduction, like they can disable person, they can do not proper work without support. Okay, they can use the mobility for the here and there, they can use some support like wheelchair and crouch. Okay, now disorder. This is the definition of disability. Now disorder means, next one is concept of disorder. Disorder is any alignment that disturb the health of a person, hinders person's performance and diminish efficiency. Okay, like this. Now the definition of a disorder. A disorder is a problem or illness which affect someone's mind, okay, or body. Disorder is defined as a state of confusion or a mental physical problem that interrupts normal function. Now another ways, disorder can be defined as a blip in the usual functioning of a person. Okay. Now next one is according to Dorland's medical dictionary. This disorder is the dearrangement or abnormality function. Okay, student. Now This is the definition of disability and disorder. Now types of disability. Okay, so many types of disability, like physical disability, cognitive disability, sensory disability, and intellectual disability. Okay, first is physical disability. Now this disability, okay, this disability, physical disability, affects a person's ability to walk, run or perform daily chores independently. Okay, in other words, his affects a person's mobility and manual skills. She often requires the help of some other person or equipment to assist with mobility. Like this, disability, the person to move the here and there, they can give support like the person or equipments. Okay, like the equipments like wheelchair, couch. Okay, this is the okay two favor. Now this is the two factors normally, like first is genetic factor, second is acquired factor. Okay, acquired factor means now two factor. Okay, like this disabilities disorder. Okay, acquired. Now and two types of category, you can divide the disability for the physical disability. First is musculoskeletal disability and neuromuscular disability. Okay, now this is first disability. This disability is musculoskeletal disability. We find this may be inability of the bones or muscles to perform the required movements. Such disability may be characterized as like this type of disability requires the bone and muscles perform the required movement. Okay, like first is deformity in any body part. Okay, osteogenesis dystrophy and muscular dystrophy. Muscular dystrophy is the called by genetic factor. The muscle gradually become weak. Okay, this is the now next one is neuromuscular disability. This is called the neuromuscular like brain. Some part of the brain they cannot work properly. There's some illness for the body. This is the permanent, like first is cerebral palsy. Now cerebral palsy students means those child with the cerebral palsy, they can do slow learner, not proper functioning their body part, no motor skill. Okay, now they're not sitting, not crawling, not standing. Okay, not seeing, not working their hands, legs. These are the cerebral palsy student. Another for the spina bifida. Like this defect in the spinal cord or birth leads to this disability. The defect for the spinal cord, bending your spinal cord, not steady state. This is this disabilities. Okay. The another is poliomyelitis. Poliomyelitis you can do. You see the polio children, they can one leg is in sink of the one leg, short in the one leg. Okay, this is polio person. They cannot walk properly. They walk supporting for like wheelchair and couch. Okay, this is the neuromuscular disability. Next one is intellectual disability. Okay, this disability means this is the main part of the disability. Okay, now those disability means okay. The nature of this disability is also mental science. Okay, intellectual domain, yes, is related to using the capacity of the mind. Like this is the intellectual disability is a disorder which occurs with the one set of childhood and is characterized by limitation in intellectual functions such as resourcing and the learning and carrying out of the function of daily life. Like a student, this disability, then children cannot do properly work, some slow learner, eh, this disability. Okay, this is the intellectual disability. Next is cognitive disabilities. Okay, this is the it affects person's thought process, personality and memory resulting. Like this disability person, they cannot proper, they cannot thought process, personality and memory resulting. They can then this person or the give the so many difficulties for the this everyday like applying social and practical skill in everyday difficulties, speech disorders, problem solving, math calculation, short span of attention and short of memory. Like this disability person is the okay. So every day like you can do not you can do every day. You can suffering the this problem for the math solving, the not store their mind in the so many thing for the math, and this person is short memory. Okay. Next one is sensory disability. Sensory disability means sensory disability is the important of one of multiple reasons of an individual. This impact their ability to see, hear, smell, taste or touch. It may be caused by birth or due any accident. Like this disability, so many difficulties of the students. They can touch, hearing, smell, some reaction for the this disability. Now student, we define the some difference of the both like this disability, disability and disorder between the or difference between the this thing. Like first difference is the meaning. Disability is an impairment which affects activities, capabilities and growth of an individual. Okay. Now disorder is the meaning. Disorder is a alignment which disturbs the normal functioning of an individual. You can disturb the normal functioning. Now cases, this type of cases, main cases of disability is the weakness of any organ or body part which hinders normal functioning of the body part. Now disordered cases is main case of disorder is short deviation in the functioning of organ. Occurrence, okay, it may be birth or may develop after birth. This type is disability. Disability is the it is the by birth or after develop the birth. Okay, this is function like this. Some problem for the injuries in the head injury by birth, they can do the problem facing. Okay, now disorder means is the beginning symptoms of disorder may be normal, but after some times the symptoms are clearly visible. They can clearly visible after they can do some this disorder means any student can do the some activities. They can stop the activities quickly. They think the shouting like this. This is the disorder. Okay. Now this is the topic of disability, disorder, concept of disability and disorder, and types of disability like physical disability, two parts, musculoskeletal disability and neuromuscular disability. Now next in intellectual disability and cognitive disability and for the sensory disability. This is the your first topic for the physical education and sports for special needs children. Okay, this is the your topic for disability and disorder. Okay, concept and types. Okay, students, see you next week. Next, okay, I can see you next week. The next part for the this chapter. Okay, cases and nature of disability is the next topic. Okay, we can next Google Meet. You can describe the this thing cases and nature of disability. Okay, student, have a nice day. Thank you.